Namaskar, all of you. How are you all? Hope you all are doing well. You know, you all are healthy, right? So today I am going to explain you new chapter, that is a lovely Sunday morning. Okay. So children, you already told me why Sunday is a lovely day for you. You know, you told me that Sunday is a special day for you. Sunday is special because on this day all the family members have holiday and they are free, they are at home, right? And you have lot of time to enjoy, you have lot of time to do what you like to do. Okay, some of you must be liking to read, to play, है ना, to draw. Okay, so on Sunday you are free, you can do drawing, you can play, you can spend time with your family members. Okay, so Sunday is a fun day, Sunday is a special day. Okay, so today I'm going to explain you a new story, a new chapter, that is a lovely Sunday morning, है ना? So Sundays are lovely. Okay, now this story is about a little boy Pradeep. Okay, so Pradeep is telling us, Pradeep is talking to us, and he is telling the whole story. He is telling us what the family members are doing. Okay, he is telling us about all the family members. Okay, now let's understand this chapter with the help of some pictures. Okay, so the name of the chapter is A Lovely Sunday Morning. Okay, now this story, who is telling this story? Pradeep. Who is telling this story? Pradeep is telling us the story, right? Now, this you can see a boy with red trouser. Okay, the name of this boy is Pradeep. Okay, so who is telling us the whole story? Who is talking to us? Pradeep. Pradeep is talking to us and he is telling the whole story to us, right? Now, I am Pradeep. My family is in the garden. Okay. Now, what Pradeep tells us? Pradeep is telling that his name is Pradeep. Okay. And he is saying that all the family members are in the garden. Okay. On which day? Sunday. On Sunday, this is Sunday. And on this day, all the family members are in the garden. Right? Father and my brother Rajesh are playing cricket. Okay. Father and my brother Rajesh are playing cricket. Okay. Now, father and Rajesh. Okay. Rajesh is Pradeep's brother. Okay. Pradeep has a brother. His name is Rajesh. Rajesh and father are playing cricket. Okay. They like to play the game cricket. Okay. So on Sunday, they both are playing cricket. Out, says Rajesh. Not out, says father. Don't shout, says mother. Okay. Now, father and Rajesh, they both are playing cricket. Okay. And Rajesh says to father, out. But what father says? Not out. Okay. So this way they both are playing cricket, and little bit they are making noise also. Hai na? Whenever you also play some game, you also make some noise while playing the game. Okay. So Rajesh is saying out, but father is saying not out. This way, both of them like to play cricket and they both are playing cricket. Okay. But mother, है ना? Mother is sitting under a tree. She is reading a book. Okay. She is reading a book. So she is getting disturbed because Rajesh and father They both are playing cricket and they are making noise. But mother is reading a book. So what she said to them, ki don't shout, है ना? Don't shout. Mother said to them, don't shout. Okay. My sister Nina is drawing. Okay. Now up to now we saw this Pradeep has father and he has a brother named Rajesh. Now Pradeep has a sister also. Okay. Now what is the name of the sister? Neena. Pradeep has a sister also, and the name of his sister is Neena. Neena loves to draw pictures. Okay, so Neena is drawing. Okay, mother is sitting under a tree. She is reading. Okay, now mother is sitting. Mother loves to read books. है ना? Mother likes to read books. So she is sitting under a tree and she is reading book. Okay, so all the family members, they are spending time in their own ways. Okay, now grandfather sits in a big chair. Is he reading the newspaper? No, he is not. He is sleeping. Okay. Now Pradeep has grandfather also. Pradeep has grandfather in their family. And grandfather is sitting in a big chair. Okay. And grandfather is holding a newspaper. But what Pradeep tells us, that grandfather is not reading the newspaper. है ना? What is he doing? He is sleeping. He is not reading the newspaper. He is sleeping. Grandfather is sleeping. Ginger is chasing a butterfly. Okay. Now see children, some of you must be having a pet at home. है ना? Some people keep this dog at home, cat at home, rabbit at home, birds at home as a pet. है ना? And who are our pets? Pets are animals. We keep some pets at our home. Okay, and they live with us in our house like family members. है ना? Some animals are kept at home. We keep them at home like our family members. Those animals are called pets, right? Now, Pradeep, Pradeep's family has a pet cat. What is the name of this cat? Ginger. What is the name of this cat? Ginger. Okay. And Ginger, what Ginger is doing? Ginger is chasing the butterfly. Ginger is running after the butterfly to catch the butterfly. Okay. Now, what am I doing? Well, I'm talking to you. Now, at last, what Pradeep says to us, ki, what am I doing? Yes, I am talking to you. Okay, I am telling you about all the family members, all my family members. है ना? I am talking to you. I am telling the whole story. Okay, so children, this all the family members are in the garden and they are spending time together. They are spending time in their own ways. Father and Rajesh are playing cricket. Mother is reading book. Nina is drawing pictures and they have a pet cat. The name of that cat is Ginger and it is chasing the butterfly. Okay. See children, this we should always try to make everyone in our family around us happy. Okay, and we should take time, we should spend time always, we should spend time with our family members. Okay, so I hope you must have understood the chapter. Okay, so today you have to read this chapter. Okay, so keep learning and keep smiling. Okay, and stay safe and healthy. Have a nice day to you.